beekeeping and swimwear. The bees are busy today. Right now I'm currently feeding my bees openly with some sugar syrup. I'm also going to put the pollen patties in the hives and just clean out the bottoms, take off the entrance reducers, clean them out, and just get them ready for the busyness of the spring season.
Yes, I know that 1 and 1 are 2. Ain't no problem that I can't see through. As long as it's just me and you, my crazy little bees.
Insane today. Wearing a veil because they're getting stuck in my hair. I'm glad I put a bee suit on. I got stung in the chin twice because the wire in my bee suit's broken, so it was flush against my face. So that was fun. But the bees are just insane. But they have lots of pollen now. Feeding them out in the field here, so I'll put some more feed out this week too, because we're supposed to be in the teens here in Canada, Celsius. So yeah, it's a warm one today. As you can see, the bees are not happy with me. They're not happy with the microphone. So anyway, chin hurts. I'll take a video of it in the next 15 minutes, see how swollen it gets. So I just cleaned out my dead out hives and left them with no bottom board open so that they can get a little air and not rot. But the plan is to put those two empty hives on top of my really strong hives, so Queen Maria and Queen Anne, which are both crazy hives, and let them build up brood and resources and then split them in about a month. So that's the plan, and then I should be back to having all my hives. And those hives need the room anyway. Good thing about a mask is it covers my Joe Leno chin.